Hi everyone, I hope you're good guys, and welcome for another short quick tip. This time I'm gonna show you two important parameters if you wanna design kind of cinematic horn or kind of this kind of sound which are really good when you drop or to bring tension during your breakdown. First thing, I use the amp. You can see it's adding this little crunch on the top and this like kind of buzzy effect and noisy a little bit. But that's not what I want to talk about. I want to talk one thing which is important is obviously usually to use two sawtooths and to detune 1 octave difference. It can be up or down, doesn't matter. And the main thing will be using the unison. If I remove the unison, it's kind of weird, but then so here I choose around 4 voice and 64% amount. And what give the little detail will give a nice taste to this synth horn is like I apply a LFO with a sawtooth like this, so it's kind of can be considered like a pitch envelope a little bit, so very slight modulation. And you can see here you have this nice so that's really the base of how to make a kind of synth horn sound. Alright, I hope you like this quick tip. Thank you very much for watching guys, and see you soon. Bye bye.